Alright, another rig is fixed. Nothing much happened to this. The front box got knocked off on one of the tumbles, and there was 2 chains in the box that I lost, and they look like this. I'm hoping that somebody found them and they are enjoying them. They are fun, and I would really hope somebody found them. I don't want them back. Have a fun time with them. And the other thing was, one of these acorn nuts came off, and so the shock disassembled itself. So I put some new shocks back there. And last time I hauled with this, the Capra, it was so heavy I never imagined, and it made this truck buckle in the middle, but it still pulled it out. So I added 2 pins going down to the frame to keep that from buckling in the middle. And it needs a bath, and she's done. Also, I added this little setup here to double my pulling strength. I brought that back to a shackle up there, and this little snatch block, just take the hook off and you can take that off and it'll be back to a single pull. So that's gonna make it quite healthy for lifting stuff. Okay, we're back inside. Everything's fine. That wheel, these are gearhead wheels, and they're beadlocks, and buddy, they held up for that crazy tire twist. I thought that was going to be it. And I can't believe how heavy that capper is in the front. Holy moly. I tow a lot of things, but that thing is heavy. I can't believe it. We'll see you.